Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can forward your WhatsApp message to your email. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. Then what you will do is simply just first of all go to your WhatsApp, make sure it's updated. For example, I have this message I want to forward, so the first thing is that you will definitely long press copy your particular message, go back to your email, write an email, copy paste it. And the other thing that you can do is simply tap on this three dot on top right corner, go to settings over there, and here you will see this option called chats, right? Simply tap on that option, and then you will scroll down, find this chat history, simply tap on it. Here you can see export chat option on first, simply tap on that option, and then you will now choose the particular chat you want to export, simply tap on that one, and then finally you will see this kind of interface will open up. Your chat is converted as a file for your email. Then you can copy this as well. Here you can see I have an email option given below. If you have Gmail in your mobile phone, you will get Gmail option. Simply tap on that email option. Here you can see the subject, the my file over there, the conversation. Then you will simply add in anybody's email address that you would like to send. Once you're done, simply tap on this send option, and your this particular WhatsApp chat messages will be forwarded and sent to that particular email address. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.